ওকে, আমরা শুরু করেছিলাম যে শেষ করেছিলাম যেখানে সেটা হলো যে লেটেন্ট ভ্যালেন্সি। লেটেন্ট ভ্যালেন্সি latent valency means latent valency equals to highest valency minus active valency. So already we know the highest valency of some elements like sulfur 2, 4, 6, phosphorus 3 and 5, carbon 2 and 4, iron 2 and 3. So highest valence of sulfur 6, phosphorus 5, carbon 4, iron 3. Now any element in a compound, already we know the highest valency, but the active valency, how to calculate, how to find out the active valency of an element. To find out the active valency of an element, we have to know the oxidation number. Oxidation number. Oxidation number and valency, the different meaning. Valency is the only number, but oxidation number is the charge number of an atom or element in a compound. So to find out the valency, at first we have to find out the oxidation number of an element present in a compound. So to calculate the oxidation number, we have to know some standard oxidation number of element. Say for example, sodium, if present in a compound, oxidation number +1. Magnesium present in a compound is 2. Aluminium present in a compound is 3. Hydrogen +1. Oxygen -2. Fluorine -1. Chlorine -1. Calcium +2, like that. So to find out the oxidation number of an element like H2SO4, how to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid? So total oxidation number of a compound is 0. That means total oxidation number of a compound is 0. Let the oxidation number of sulfur be X equals to what? We have to find out the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid. So sum of the oxidation number of different element present in compound is 0. That is why hydrogen, here oxidation number already here written +1 +1. Here atom of hydrogen 2, so multiplied by 2, plus sulfur already taken as Sx, plus oxygen oxidation number is -2 into 4. So or +2 plus x minus 8 equals to 0, x minus 6 equals to 0, x equals to +6. So oxidation number of sulfur, oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid equals to +6. But what is the valency? Here valency is 6. The valency is 6. Valency is only the number, but oxidation number is the charge number of atom present in a compound. So in a sulfuric acid, if there is a question, what is the latent valency? What is the latent valency of sulfur in sulfuric acid? So to know the latent valency of sulfur, we have to know the highest valency and active valency. Already we find out the active valency of sulfur in sulfuric acid is 6, and highest valency already we know the 6. That is why the latent valency equals to highest valency minus active valency. highest valence is 6 and the active valence is also 6. So the latent valency of sulfur in sulfuric acid is 6. Similarly, any compound, any element in their compound, we can find out the latent valency of the element in that compound. Another example, nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. So highest valence of nitrogen, already we know, nitrogen highest valence equals to 3 and 5. So highest valency already we know the 5. But what is the active valence of nitrogen? Similarly, we can find out the active valency of nitrogen in nitrous acid. Let the oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrous acid be X equals to what? So total oxidation number, you know, in a compound is 0. Here hydrogen oxidation number is +1. Here nitrogen is X and oxygen is -2 multiplied by 2 because there are 2 atoms of oxygen. Therefore, +1 plus X minus 4 to 0, X minus 3 equals to 0, X equals to +3. So oxidation number +3, but valency equals to 3. Therefore, latent valency of nitrogen equals to highest valency minus active valency. Highest valency is 5 and active valency is 3. So latent valency is 2. The latent valency of nitrogen in nitrous acid is 2. So there is a lot of compound. From there we can find out the latent valency of an element. Another example, carbon monoxide. What is the latent valency of carbon? Highest valency of carbon equals to 4. Latent valency total 0, carbon X, oxygen -2, X minus 2 equals to 0, X equals to +2. So active valency equals to 2. Highest valency already we know the 4. Therefore, latent valency equals to highest valency minus active valency. Highest valency is 4, active valency is 4. Highest valency 4, active valency 2. So the latent valency of carbon in carbon monoxide is 2. তো তোমরা জেনে গেলে যে কিভাবে আমরা লেটেন্ট ভ্যালেন্সি কোনো একটা এলিমেন্টের কম্পাউন্ড থেকে আমরা বের করতে পারি। তাহলে আজকে আমরা যে বিষয়গুলো জানলাম সেটা হলো ভ্যালেন্সি কি, ভ্যালেন্সির ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ ডেফিনিশন এবং ভ্যালেন্সির ডিফারেন্ট ভ্যালেন্সিজ লাইক ভ্যারিয়েবল ভ্যালেন্সি, latent valency, etc. Now the next question is valence electron. Valence electron means the total number of electron present in outermost energy shell. Total number of electron present in outermost energy shell. The total number of electron present in outermost energy shell. Example, nitrogen atomic number is 7, so electron is 7 and neutral state. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is the last shell. So total number of electron present in outermost energy shell. Total electron here 3 to 5. That is why the valence electron electrons equals to 5. In figure, first shell, second shell, K shell, L shell, 2 electrons, 2, 1, the total 5 electrons. A valence electron The valence electron is total, if either metal or non-metal, whatever it is, total electron in outermost energy shell is the valence electron. Now, another term, valence shell. Valence shell. Valence shell means last energy shell. Or outermost energy shell of an atom is called the valence shell. That is why this is the valence shell. Valence shell. The last electron of an element. Last energy shell of an atom or element is called valence example here, nitrogen 7 1s2 2s2 2p3. So this is the valence shell. Now there is the important question here. The valence, there are some elements which have which the valency and valency electrons are not same. Say for example, nitrogen, the valency is 3, whereas valency 3, whereas valence electron equals to 5. That means the valency and valence electron is not same in some elements. The question is here, why the valency? ওকে প্রিয় স্টুডেন্ট, আজকে যে দুটো লেসন নিলাম এর পরবর্তীতে আমি আবার ওখান থেকে শুরু করব যে ভ্যালেন্সি এবং ভ্যালেন্স ইলেকট্রন কিছু কিছু এলিমেন্টসের সেম হয়, কিছু কিছু এলিমেন্টসের সেম হয় না, কাদের হয় এবং কাদের হয় না, এটা পরবর্তী ক্লাসে আমি তোমাদেরকে বলবো।